Hey guys, it's Kerry. Lots of amazing farm animals today. I love getting to feed the animals. David's feeding the horse a carrot. There's a new goose today. In you go. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. The pigs are always ravenous. Well, I've got some work to do. I've got David to help me build the fences. The first animals to arrive are the sheep. There are 3 adults and 2 lambs. Sheep are domesticated animals raised on farms for their wool, meat and milk. They are happiest together living in groups called flocks. I'm giving them some food to encourage them into the pen. Sheep are easily frightened if other animals come near and will gather together for protection. In the spring, a mother sheep usually gives birth to 1, 2 or 3 lambs. When a sheep is old enough, it can be sheared for wool. At first it produces lamb's wool, which is much softer than the wool it produces when older. A sheep's wool coat is called a fleece, and more fencing arrives. These are my pigs. Pigs don't have many sweat glands, so they roll around and sleep in mud and swim in water to keep cool. The pot-bellied pig. It's called that because it has a big, rounded, fat belly. David's helping them in. Rolling in mud also helps the pig's skin from getting sunburned. And here's some food for you. Pigs have poor eyesight, but a great sense of smell. The pig's nostrils on its leathery snout is very sensitive to touch. The pig uses the snout to search or root for food. And here's the new fencing for the cattle. Cows are large mammals, often used as livestock for meat, milk, and their hides are used for leather. There are over 800 different cattle breeds recognized worldwide. All cows are female. The males are called bulls or steer. Some fresh grass for the calves. Cows have a very complicated digestive system. There are 4 digestive compartments. David likes the Texas Longhorns. He's giving this one a nice pat. This is a Texan Longhorn. Cows can see almost 360 degrees, which helps them to see predators from all angles. They aren't so good at looking forward, so will often turn their head if they want to look at you. And here's your food. The Texas Longhorn cow. Their horns can extend to over 2.5 meters from tip to tip. special treat. The horses are arriving. I've got Mustangs. Mustangs are wild horses found in the western United States. They are very hardy and sure-footed, and because of these unique characteristics, they can easily navigate landscapes that other breeds may struggle with. David's putting their food in to encourage the horses into the enclosure. Horses can't breathe through their mouth. They can only breathe through their nose. Horses are able to sleep standing up. They have excellent hearing and rotate their ears to hear even better. The Mustang Stallion. Horses have lightning-fast reflexes. As a prey animal, horses need to react quickly should a flight or fight situation arise. David really likes the Mustang mare, and he likes to give her a carrot now and then. Now I'm going to build a pond. This pond is for my new goose. Oh, the goose looks a bit worried. In you go. It's really good to see all the children and their families in here learning about the animals. Please stay and watch another video with me. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.